on today's episode, mac and cheese taste tester. So I just came from my local health food store a little while ago, and I discovered these. There's that one, and then there's that one. So I already opened the box, and I already cooked this one. The usual mac and cheese that you would buy. It comes in like a packet, and it's like powder. This stuff was not a powder, it was kind of like a cream, a really thick cream. The macaroni came in this. I have it all cooked up here. Oh, look at that right there. I'm excited and nervous. So let's do a taste tester to see if it's worth buying this stuff. I don't have the other one made, just this one, so I'll do another video. I may even get hungry after this, who knows. Oh yeah. So good. Okay, so these, they cost me $6.49 for each. So a little bit on the steep side, but yeah. This one, it says that it's oh, fromage. There we go. It's a Deluxe Alfredo style. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to learn the camera here. And it's a cheesy mac. It's gluten-free and also soy-free. So those of you that cannot have soy, that has soy allergies. Also dairy and lactose-free. So those of you that don't eat dairy, whether you're allergic or don't want to. And there's a good amount of protein in here. So basically you just boil the pasta, cook it for, I cooked mine for 8 minutes, and it seemed to be perfect. And it says, do not overcook pasta. Alright, over here. So serving size is 1/3 of the package. So this is all the stuff here. There we go. You can actually see it. You can get all the nutritional info. It's not focusing properly. Sorry guys. For taste, 10 out of 10 to the max. Just delicious. So I have 2 thumbs up. And as for price, they could definitely bring it down. So ooh, on the price. Ooh. So this would be like once a year maybe, or once, I don't know, like when I'm feeling rich or something. But yeah, I've been wanting to try dairy-free mac and cheese. I usually just make my own, or you know, Eric makes us mac and cheese. So so it was nice to actually buy this and try it out. So I definitely suggest you try it. Sound good? Yes?
Shut up and sit down.
And I'm back. Delicious. So I couldn't help myself. I know. The fat, the sodium. I'm gonna eat the other box tonight. But I just can't help myself. So you are going to be waiting for the water to boil with me. Do 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 do. La 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 la. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, come on. You trooper just once? Just once? Huh?
Shut up
She smells good.
Sit down.
It smells like pine. Do 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 do.
The pot of water on the heat waiting to boil. Hello, pot of water. How's it going?
What's up? It's me, Anisha again. Hi, my name is Lexi. Same move. Feet together, then bend your knees. When you step, your behind's gonna go up, down.
Let's see if I'm doing this right. Oh, this target thing's really hard. Oh my god. It's finally boiling. Oh, alright. It's time to open this up and be a bad girl. Oh, there's little pretties in there. Ooh, there's carrots and peas. Holy smokes! Let's pour it together. Oh yeah. Giggity. Now that we're waiting for the pasta to boil, let's dance some more. This is Midna. You're so much a cutie. She's done.
You say bye. You say bye. Bye. I'm a poop disturber. I like to eat things that aren't mine.
We'll get a twofer.
Kitty's all around.
Kitty. You guys are awesome.
Oh, we're boiling over.
Let's stir this bitch.
Oops, I forgot the timer.
It's been about a minute. Whatever. Macaroni and cheese. 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 Macaroni. It's making me crazy. Don't eat that stuff. It makes you crazy. Oh my god. I wonder if I can chew my ear. To cut out its innards. Look at the innards. They're gooey. Pouring the innards. As promised, a taste tester. Let's do this. Look at it, it's delicious looking. Very strange with the vegetables in there. That's the vegan. Okay, serious moment. Put on my drama face. Oh yeah, just as good. Out of 10? 10! 10! 10. Definitely 10. So, now that I've given it my review, okay, so, this one is also gluten-free, and soya-free, and dairy and lactose-free, and lots of protein. Actually, this one has more protein than this one. You see that? This one has 5, and this one has 6. See? Cooking instructions, I assume they were the same. I didn't even follow them, so whatever. Tastes just as good. Okay, so nutrition facts. And again, if it's blurry, I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't like being serious. Even though when you meet me, I seem to be serious. But really, that's just me being shy. I'm actually ridiculous. Okay, so which one do I prefer? Drum roll, please! I choose this one. Why? Because it reminds me of Stroganoff. So, if I make this one again, I'm gonna put little bits of little fake steaks in there. But yeah, no, it really did remind me of Stroganoff. It was really good. So, but they are both delicious. They're extremely cheesy. So if you like cheese, watch out. If you hate cheese, well, why are you watching this video? I hope you enjoyed me acting like a flippin' idiot. If it made you laugh, yay! If it made you go, oh god, that chick again? You don't have to watch my videos, even though I want you to. Hey, and click subscribe and like. I'm gonna try and make my cooking videos all goofy, so if you like this kind of goofy movie, like little split scenes, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I got that from =3. Below. Okay.